Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we enable aeroplane mode setting in our Poco phone. Guys, you want to enable guys your aeroplane mode setting in your Poco phone. So friend, how can you enable? Today I will show you in this video guys how to enable aeroplane mode setting from phone setting and how can you on and friends how can you use means how can you enable it. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, what will you have to do guys? Scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting. So friends, you can see there is no any aeroplane mode setting. Then how can we enable it? So you can see guys your connection and sharing is tap here. As you can see aeroplane mode setting is right side, tap here. Then guys aeroplane mode will enable. Friends, you can see the aeroplane mode icon on your screen. After enable guys aeroplane mode setting is you cannot use guys your mobile data setting and guys calling setting guys you cannot use. You can use guys only your download movies and guys you have your offline game guys you can use it only like that. So like that guys your airplane mode will enable in your Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet in the next video, bye friends.